Welcome our science class. What is our topic? Previous day we discussed our unit 4 science in everyday life. What are the topic discussed in previous class? Milk, sources of milk, nutritional value of milk and health benefits of milk. These topics only discussed in previous class. What are the one discussed in previous class? First we discussed milk. Milk is obtained from so many animals. So milk is a primary food for each and every individual. For example, babies, and then it gives nourishing to our body. And also, milk is the so many health benefits. Next, sources of milk. Where we obtained from milk, that only sources of milk. How many sources we give that milk? Cow, buffaloes, donkeys, and then so many animals give that milk. But human beings only use that cow milk and buffalo milk only. Next, based on the not only animals give that milk and other sources also give milk. What are the sources? Soya milk, nut and seed based milk also sources of milk. Next, in that sources of milk, based on the fat content, it can be divided into 3 groups. What are they? Low fat milk, fat free milk and high fat milk. This only milk types. Next, nutritional value of milk. What are the nutrition present in milk? Fat, proteins, and then calcium, minerals, vitamins, all the one present in milk. What are the one present? Protein. What are the protein present in milk? It helps to maintain our body. Next, vitamins. Which vitamins present in milk? Vitamin D present in milk. What is the benefit of vitamin D? It helps to immunity power and also it gives strength to our bones and teeth. Next, normally milk is sweet in taste. Which one gives sweet? The lactose. The sugar lactose only give sweet in taste. Minerals, calcium minerals present in milk. Next, health benefits of milk. What are the health benefits? Small children, babies, newborn babies up to adults also drink milk. Every day we drink a cup of milk, we avoid so many diseases. What are the health benefits? The milk gives strength to our bones and teeth. It avoids heart diseases. And then it gives nourishing to their young ones. Shall we move to today's topic? Good morning, Kutis. Welcome for our third science class. What is our topic? Today we discuss new topic, science in everyday life. Unit 4, science in everyday life. Previous class also the same topic only. The remaining part will continue in that class. Shall we enter the class? Okay. What is our topic? Science in everyday life. First we discuss about food materials. What do you mean by food materials? Food is one of the basic needs of our life. It is one of the basic needs of our life. Without food we cannot live. So it is one of the basic needs of our life. It provides energy. What is the use for food? It provides energy. It is usually made by cooking plants or animals. How to make that food? It is usually made by cooking plants or animals only we get that food materials. It contains essential nutrients. Which one contains? Food materials contain some essential nutrients. It keeps our body healthy. It keeps our body healthy. Food is one of the basic needs of our life. It provides energy for our body. How to make that food materials? With the plants or animals. Cooking of plants or animals. It contains essential nutrients. Food materials contain essential nutrients. These food materials keeps our body healthy. Next, what is our topic? Needs of food. What do you mean by needs of food? What purpose need that food? That only needs of food. Food gives Energy. We need energy. We do each and every activity. For example, we walk, we eat, we run, we write. All the activities, each activities need some energy. So, food only gives energy. It promotes growth. It gives growth to our body. It improves immunity to our body. Immunity means, what do you mean by immunity? That means fight against the diseases. நோய் எதிர்ப்பு சக்தி. Immunity means நோய் எதிர்ப்பு சக்தி. That means it fight against the diseases. It helps our body repairs itself. We get energy through this energy. If any part repairs in our body means they itself, which one? Cure that diseases. What is the use of food? What purpose need for food means it gives energy, promotes growth for our body, improves immunity power, and also helps our body repairs itself. This only needs of food. Next our topic. Food can be classified into two types. Classification of food. Based on the food can be classified into two. What are the one? Raw food and then cooked food. What do you mean by raw food? What do you mean by cooked food? Raw food means without cooking we eat that food. That only raw food. Next, cooked food. Without cooking we cannot eat that food. That only cooked food. Shall we discuss one by one? First, raw food. Which one? First we discuss about raw food. Raw food is the food that does not have to be cooked to eat. Raw food is a food that does not have to be cooked to eat. அதை குக் பண்ணாமே என்ன செய்யலாம்? சாப்பிட்லாம். That does not have to be cooked to eat. Example, fruits, carrot, groundnut, seeds. These are raw food. Without cooked we eat that food. That only raw food. Next our topic, cooked food. Next our topic, which one? Cooked food. In raw food, what are the food items we eat? Here you see that one, cucumber, and then carrot, some fruit, tomatoes, all the one. Next here you see this one, apple, and then some broccoli. Next which one? Fruits. These are raw food. Without cooked we eat that food. That only raw food. Next, cooked food. What is mean by cooked food? Cooked food is a food that has been cooked to eat. Cooking after only we eat that food. That only cooked food. The cooked food is the food that has been cooked to eat. Examples, rice, vegetables, curry, bread. Vegetable curry and bread. These foods are cooked after only we eat. So only this one is called cooked food. Here you see that picture. All the one cooking after only we eat. Without cooking we cannot able to eat that food. This only cooked food. Next our topic, cooking. What are the methods used to cooking? Do you know how many food items are there that you will not be able to eat without cooking? It makes food suitable for consumption. What purpose cook that food? It makes food suitable for consumption. எதுக்காக குக் பண்ணுறோம்? நம்ம சாப்பிட்றதுக்காக தான் குக் பண்ணுறோம். What are the methods used to cookings? Boiling, steaming, frying, deep frying, roasting, grilling. These methods are used for cooking. Let us discuss one by one. First, boiling. Boiling, steam. Now, book reading. Roman 2, food materials. What is food? Food is one of the basic needs of our life. Food is one of the Basic needs of our life. Which one food is the basic needs of our life? Food provides energy. Food gives us energy. It is usually made by cooking plants or animals. It contains essential nutrients to keep our body healthy. What is food? Food is one of the basic needs of our life, and also it gives energy. It is usually made by cooking plants or animals. What it contains? It contains essential nutrients. This one keep our body healthy. Here you see the picture. All the one fruits and vegetables. Needs of food. What purpose need the food? Gives energy. Promotes growth. It gives energy and then it promotes, it create growth. Improve immunity. That means avoid diseases. Helps our body repair itself. This all the one needs for food. What are the needs of food? Needs of food, what are the one? Gives energy, promotes growth, improves immunity, helps our body repair itself. If any diseases come means, which one cure the disease? We eat that food through that one, they itself repair their body. Food can be classified into two types, raw food and then cooked food. What do you mean by raw food? Raw food is the food that does not have to be cooked to eat. Example, fruits, carrot, groundnut, seeds. Raw food means without cooking they eat. What are the one example? Fruits, carrot, groundnut, seeds. Raw food is the food that does not have to be cooked to eat. Without cooking, they eat that food. That one is called raw food. Next, we see that one, cooked food. What do you mean by cooked food? Cooked food is the food that has been cooked to eat. Without cooking, they do not eat. So, this one, cooking after only eat. So, cooked food is the food that has been cooked to eat. Example, rice, vegetable curry, bread. Most of them like that cooked food only, because cooked food only variety. Here you see the picture, dosa, sambar, and then curry masala, and then poriyal. All the one cooked after only we get that food. So most of the human beings, which one eat? The cooked food only like. Next, let us do simple task such as pouring liquid into the bowl, sprinkling pepper on the of the omelette or dosa, peeling off onions, powdering coriander seeds can be done by you. Always help the elders in the kitchen. Each and every human beings do that activities. Which activities? Simple task. Pouring liquid into the bowl and sprinkling pepper on the omelette or dosa, peeling of onions, powdering coriander seeds can be done by you. Always help the elders in the kitchen. Next, cooking. Based on the types of food, it can be divided into two. What are they? Raw food, cooked food. Now we see that cooking. Do you know how many food items are there that you will not be able to eat without cooking? Cooking is important. It makes food suitable for consumption. What do you mean by cooking? We know how many types of cooking items are there. We don't know. Without cooking, all the one we get from without cooking only. Cooking is important one. It makes food suitable for consumption. That means cooked food only like very much. Cooked food மட்டும்தான் என்ன செய்வோம், நம்ம ரொம்ப விரும்பி சாப்பிடுவோம். சூட்டபிள் ஃபார் கன்சப்ஷன்னா சாப்பிட்றதுக்கு ஏற்ற ஃபுட்டு எது? குக்குடு ஃபுட்டு தான். எவ்வளோ வெரைட்டி இருக்குதுன்னு அதில் நம்மளால் சொல்லவே முடியாது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட், Methods of cooking. What are the methods followed to cook the food? First one, boiling. Boiling which food? Rice. Next, steaming. Steaming na enna ஆவில வேக வைக்கிறது. Next, frying. Frying panல போட்டு என்ன செய்கிறோம், ஆயில் போட்டு ஃப்ரை பண்ணுறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு deep frying. Fully oiled poured after that one you put into the items after you take that one, deep frying. Next, roasting. Roasting na வறுக்கிறது. Next, grilling. This one you know, grilling. What are the food items we get? So many food items we get from cooking purpose only. Cooking after only we get so many items. What are the one? Methods of cooking. What are the one? Boiling, steaming, frying, deep frying, roasting, grilling. Boiling, give some examples. Boiling na என்ன செய்கிறது, ரைஸை போட்டு வடித்து எடுக்கிறோம்ல, அது மாதிரி என்னென்னா பாயில் பண்ணுவோம், கிரவுண்ட்நட்டு. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு எல்லா கிழங்கு வகைகளுமே என்ன செய்வோம், பாயில் பண்ணி தான் சாப்பிடுவோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் என்ன செய்கிறோம், ஸ்டீமிங். ஸ்டீமிங்னா ஆவியில் வேக வைக்கிற ஃபுட்டு, இட்லி, புட்டு, அண்ட் தென் கொழுக்கட்டை, இது எல்லாமே எப்படி ஸ்டீமிங் மெத்தட் தான். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஃப்ரையிங். ஃப்ரையிங் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், ஆயில் போர் பண்ணி ஃபிஷ்ஷு இதெல்லாம் வறுக்கிறோம் இல்லைங்களா, அதுதான் ஃப்ரையிங். டீப் ஃப்ரையிங்னா ஃபுல்லாக என்ன செய்கிறோம், ஆயிலையே வறுத்து எடுக்கிறோம். ரோஸ்டிங்னா வறுத்து எடுக்கிறது, கடலைப்பருப்பு, இந்த நிலக்கடலை இது மாதிரிலாம் வறுத்து சாப்பிடுவோம் இல்லைங்களா, அதான் ரோஸ்டிங். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு கிரில்லிங். கிரில்லிங்னா உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், இப்போ மாடர்ன் மெத்தட் ஆஃப் ப்ரிப்பேரிங் சிக்கன், கிரில்லிங் மெத்தட். நெக்ஸ்ட், பெனிஃபிட்ஸ் ஆஃப் குக்கிங். வாட் ஆர் த பெனிஃபிட்ஸ் குக்டு ஃபுட் we eat? Cooking causes many useful changes in food. It makes nutrients ready for digestion. அது எப்படி கொடுக்குது, ஃபுட்டை நியூட்ரியன்ஸோடு கொடுக்குது. அது எப்படி நியூட்ரியன்ஸோடு கொடுக்குறப்ப அது டைஜஷனுக்கு ஈஸியாக இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. இட் ஹெல்ப்ஸ் டு மேக் ஃபுட் இன் த டிசையர்ட் டெக்ஸ்சர். என்ன ஐட்டம் நமக்கு வேணுமோ, டிசையர்ட் டெக்ஸ்சர்னால் என்ன அர்த்தம்னா, நமக்கு தேவையான ஃபுட் ஐட்டம்ஸை நம்ம என்ன செய்கிறோம், தேவையான ஆயிலோ இல்லை வேறு ஏதாவது சிக்கன் மசாலா, மட்டன் மசாலா, என்ன மசாலா வேணுமோ அதுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி நம்ம ரெடி பண்ணிக்கிறோம். டிசையர்ட் டெக்ஸ்சர், ஃப்ளேவர் அண்ட் டேஸ்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. நாட் ஓன்லி டிசையர்ட் டெக்ஸ்சர், ஃப்ளேவர் அண்ட் டேஸ்ட் ஆல்சோ சேஞ்ச் தட் ஒன். இட் ஹெல்ப்ஸ் டு மேக் ஃபுட் இன் த டிசையர்ட் டெக்ஸ்சர், ஃப்ளேவர் அண்ட் தென் டேஸ்ட். எப்படி நமக்கு டேஸ்ட்டாக வேணும், என்ன டேஸ்ட்டில் வேணும், என்ன மசாலா சேர்க்கணும், இது எல்லாமே என்ன செய்கிறோம், குக்குடு ஃபுட்டில் தான் நம்ம டிசைட் பண்ணுறோம். இட் டெஸ்ட்ராய்ஸ் ஹார்ம்ஃபுல் மைக்ரோப்ஸ். குக் பண்ணுறப்ப மைக்ரோ ஆர்கானிசம், ஸ்மால் மைக்ரோ ஆர்கானிசம் இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது எல்லாமே என்ன ஆயிரும், ஹார்ம்ஃபுல் மைக்ரோ ஆர்கானிசம் எல்லாமே டெஸ்ட்ராய் ஆகிடும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், we drink boiled water only. What purpose we drink boiled water only? Microorganisms, some microorganism present in water, that one cause diseases. Avoiding purpose only we drink which water, boiling water. So what are the benefits of cooking? It makes nutrients useful changes in food. It make nutrients useful changes in food. Nutrients ready for digestion. Which nutrients we get that food, no, after cooking, that one nutrients ready for digestion. It helps to make food in the desired texture, flavor and taste. It destroys harmful microbes. Next, try to answer. Dash and dash are example of raw food. Dash and dash are examples of raw food. Second one, dash and dash are examples of cooked food. Dash and dash are examples of cooked food. Next, material reading. Unit 4, Lesson 4, Science in Everyday Life. Lesson Science in Everyday Life. First Roman dictation words. Calcium, CIUM calcium. CALCIUM calcium. Second one biscuit. BISCUIT biscuit. BISCUIT biscuit. Third one tablets. TABLETS tablets. Fourth one nutrients. NUTRIENTS nutrients. Fifth one digestion. DIGESTION digestion. Dictation words. First one calcium. Second one biscuit. Third one tablets. Fourth one nutrients. Fifth one digestion. Next second Roman missing letters. First one steaming. First one steaming. STEAMING steaming. STEAMING steaming. Second one vitamins. VITAMINS vitamins. Third one essential. ESSENTIAL essential. Fourth one flavor. FLAVOUR flavor. FLAVOURS flavors. Minerals. Fifth one MINERALS minerals. First one steaming. Second one vitamins. Third one essential. Fourth one flavors. Fifth one minerals. Next third Roman, choose the correct answer. Primary source of energy for the young ones of some animal is dash. Primary sources which one? Water, fruits, milk. Milk only correct answer. Next vitamin present in milk that helps us to maintain our bone is dash. Which vitamin helps to maintain our bones strong? Vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin D. Vitamin D only correct answer. Next third one of the ancient food items made by human is dash. Noodles, cake, bread. Noodles, cake, modern food. Which one ancient food items? Bread only ancient food items. Dash is a fourth one. Dash is a raw food. Without cooking we eat that food. Which food? Chapati, bread, cucumber. Cucumber only raw food. A gadget that plays songs is called dash. A gadget that plays songs is called music player. Which one? Plays songs. Which one? Music player. Next, we discuss about cooking. Do you know how many food items are there that you will not be able to eat without cooking? Cooking is an important process. Without cooking, we do not eat some food items. So, cooking makes food suitable for consumption. Consumption means eatable, edible. What are the methods used for cooking? Methods of cooking: boiling, steaming, frying, deep frying, roasting and grilling. Let us see one by one. Frying, grilling, deep frying. First one, frying. What we fry? How do you make that frying? Some oil only pour in the dosa tawa. We prepare that food. That one is called frying. Grilling. We see that big hotels and all. What we do? The grilled chicken. Outside kept one machine like substances. Inside that grill rolling on that place. Keep that chicken. Tasty food. That one grilling. Next deep frying. What do you mean by deep frying? Pour more amount of oil. Fully dip that food in that oil itself. Boiled. That one is called deep frying. Next methods of cooking: steaming, boiling, roasting. What do you mean by steaming? What do you mean by steaming? Steaming, that means avila vegra food. Enna idli, puttu, and then idiyappam. Next kolukatta. These foods are prepared for steaming methods. Avila vega வைக்கிறது. Next boiling. How do you prepare that boiling? Pour some amount of water that boiled after put the rice, after that one cooked, that only boiling. We prepare that boiling method, greens and rice. Next roasting. What do you mean by roasting? வறுத்து எடுக்கிறது, அதுதான் roasting. Next benefits of cooking. We cook that food. What are the benefits? It makes nutrients ready for digestion. It makes nutrients ready for digestion. Which one? The food ready for digestion. The cooked food give nutrients, that one ready for digestion. Next, it helps to make food in the desired texture. That means desirable taste. Next, flavor and taste. Not only desired texture, flavor and taste also desirable one. So we eat that food with our own desires. Next, it destroys harmful microbes. Some microorganisms also present in that food. Through cooking, it destroys the harmful microorganisms. So it destroys harmful microbes. What are the benefits of cooking? Cooked after, that one give nutrients, that nutrients ready for digestion, first one. Second one, it helps to make food in the desired texture, flavor and taste. It destroys harmful microbes. It destroys harmful microbes. Next our topic, recap. What are the one discussed in today's class? Food. What is food? Food is the basic needs of our life. Food gives energy. We do so many activity in every day. And also, which one gives energy? Food only gives energy. It contains essential nutrients and also to keep our body healthy. Which one? Food only. Next, needs of food. What purpose need for food? It gives energy, promotes growth, improves immunity power, helps our body repair itself. That only needs of food. Next, classification of food. Based on the food types, food can be classified into two types. What are they? Raw food, cooked food. What do you mean by raw food? Raw food is the food that does not have to be cooked to eat. Without cooking, eat that food. That food is called raw food. Examples, fruit, carrot, groundnut seeds. Next, cooked food. What is mean by cooked food? Cooked food is the food that has been cooked to eat. Cook after only, that one eat. Examples, rice, vegetable curry, bread. These are cooked food. Next, cooking. What is cooking? What purpose cook that food? Cooking is important one. Without cooking, we do not eat some food items. So, it makes food suitable for consumption, suitable for eatable one. Which one? Cooking after only food suitable for eating. That only cooking. Next, benefits of cooking. What are the benefits? And then cooking after, what we do? Methods of cooking. What are the methods? Boiling, steaming, frying, deep frying, roasting and grilling. These methods are used for cooking. Methods of cooking. Next, benefits of cooking. What are the benefits? Cooking. First one, cooking causes many useful changes in food. What are the useful changes? Cooked after, that food gives nutrients. It was ready for digestion. Cooked after, that food in desired texture, flavor and taste. And last points, it destroys harmful microbes. These are the benefits for cooking. I hope you understood this class. The remaining part will continue in the next class. Thank you, dears.